Jump ball.
Barangay style to.
Serve. Dinadala ang bola. Pinasa sa number 10. Pinasa sa 13. Umatake. Foul. Jump ball, jump ball. Gray ball, gray ball.
Okay, change the possession ball.
Number 37. Dinadala ang bola. 37. Pinasa. Pinasa kay G. Pumepwesto. Umatake, naagaw. Number 13, dinadala ang bola. Dumidiskarte, pinasa kay John. John, tumira. Pasok. Number 37, bringing down the leather. 37, dumidiskarte. Pinasa. Pinasa kay number, naagaw, G. Tumarecho. G, pinasa kay, dinidribble ni G. Pinasa kay 58. Pinasa kay number 37. Umeke, umatake, tumira, foul. Who's foul, rep? 13. Two free throws, shooting foul. First try, yes sir. Second try, yes sir. Number 10, dinadala ang bola. Number 10, pinasa kay John. John, naagaw, dumiretso. Number 7, dumiretso, naagaw na rebound ni Surf. Surf, binigay kay number 10. Number 10, pinasa kay number 13. 13, pinasa kay John. John, 13 again. Tumira. Oh my goodness. Pinasa kay G. Pinasa kay number 37. 37, dumiretso, pinasa kay Paul. Nag-layup, sablay. Number 13, na-rebound. 13, binigay sa number 20, binigay sa number 10. Number 10, pinasa number 13. Pumoste, tumira.
Fine look the left hand right there. Great finish.
Number 37. Number 37. Pinasa kay number 7, tumira. Wala, na-rebound ni Surf. Surf, nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 10, pinasa kay Surf. Surf, tumira!
Off the board. He can't finish it up and
Pinasa
in.
na namin ang number 7. Number 7, pinasa kay 37. Surf, lalabas ang bola. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 10, dumidiskarte. Binalik kay Surf. Surf, nakuha ni John. John,
Good defense, bro.
binigay kay number 10. Binigay kay number 13. Pumaposte.
Step back. Oh, it's a foul.
Foul on number 88. Paul. 88. Two shots. Number 13 kay Raymond. Number 13. First try. Basket is good. Second try. Basket is good. Number 58. Dinadala ang bola. Number 58. Number 8, tumira! 3 points. Number 58.
That is the deadly Mr. Publico.
Number 20. Dumidirect. Pinasa kay Surf. Surf. Pinasa kay number 10. Reynald. Pinasa kay number 20. 20 umatake. Jump ball. Who's ball? Blue ball, stay.
7 is,
Same ball.
this is always dark. Home is always, like,
Surf, tumira ng 3. No good. Na-rebound ni number 7. 7, binigay kay number 58. 58, nagdadala ng bola. 58, dinidribble. Dinidribble. Pinasa kay G. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 7. 7, tumira. Paso.
It's a tie ball game, folks.
Number 7, number 10, Reynald. Dinidribble, dumiretso. Umatake, paso. 37, Wendell. Binigay kay number 58. 58. Binigay kay G. Binigay kay 58. 58. Dinidribble. Dala na ni G. Binalik kay 58. Tumira ng 3. Wala, no good. Na-rebound ni Sir. Dinidribble. Dumiskarte. Pinasa kay number 22. Pinasa kay 21. 21 tumira. Wala. Rebound number 7.
Thinking this is still pickup basketball.
Binigay kay Arnold. Binigay kay Kuya Rodel. Dumidiskarte. Binigay kay number 21. Binigay kay number 13. Number 13. Napakalakas. Hindi kaya si number 13. Number 5. Binigay kay G. Dumidiskarte. Dinibol. Binigay kay number 316. Binigay kay number 7. Number 7.
Foul.
Foul. Blue ball. Is it blue ball? Whose ball? Blue ball. Number 7, foul. Binigay kay Kuya Rodel. Nagdi-dribble. Binigay kay Arnold. Binigay kay Kuya Rodel. Binigay kay John. Tumira. Wala. Na-rebound ni G. Binigay kay number 5. Number 5. Dumiretso. Foul.
Foul on Tito Rodel. That is the second team foul for the away team.
Kuya Rodel, number 8, foul. First foul ni Kuya Rodel.
Blue 8.
Marlon. Inbound the ball. Pinasa kay G. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5. Pinasa kay 316. Sumagasa.
Blocking foul.
Blocking foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 22. First foul ni number First foul, number 22. G, inimbaw ng bola. Binigay kay Marlon. Binigay kay 316.
It's good, no good.
Na-rebound. Blue ball. Last touch ni number 5. Kuya Rodel. Pinasa ang bola.
Good defense by Fronda.
Kuya Rodel. Inimbaw.
That is off the heels of
Turnover ni Kuya Rodel.
Tito
Pinasa sa tuhod. Number 10. Dumidiskarte. Binigay kay Ray. Number 5. 316. Binigay kay Marlon. Binigay kay 5. Ray. Binili kay Marlon. Traveling Marlon.
that is another turnover for the David's defender.
Lumakad si Marlon. Si Kuya Rodel. Binigay kay Napakalakas ng number 13. Di kaya sa loob. Di kaya ang bantayan.
That's 8 points now for Tito Raymond.
8 points for number 13. Number 7, Estrada. Dumidiskarte. Binigay kay number 5. Binigay kay Marlon. Binalik kay number 5. Binalik kay number 7. Sumagasa. Nawala ang bola. Stay.
That is going to
sa
stay.
Gray ball. Gray ball. Number 7. Pinasa kay number 5. Umatake. Binalik kay number 7. Number 7. Layup. Layup by number 7. Kuya Rodel. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay number 22. Tumira ng 3. Kapos. Nagtebats. Kaya kapos. Kuya Marlon. Kuya Marlon, dinidribble. Pinasa kay G, tumira. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 7. Put back layup is good.
Just like last week, he's picking up right where he left off with the offensive rebounds.
That's his game. That's his game.
Kuya Rodel, nagdi-dribble. Pinasa kay John, binalik kay Kuya Rodel. Kuya Rodel, binalik kay Arnold. Pinasa sa gitna. Good pass. Number 21, too easy. Too easy. Number 21. Number 9. Nagdi-dribble. Marlon, pinasa kay G. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Na-rebound ni Arnold. Binigay kay Kuya Rodel. Kuya Rodel, nagdi-dribble. Pinasa kay number 21. Number 21.
Going away, no, it's back in the hands of Tito Rodel, who gets manhandled.
Oh, dumiretso, pinasa pa. Pumeke, tumira ulit. Holding, wala. Stay sa number... Substitution, rep. Substitution. Kuya Rodelin, number 13 in. John De Leon.
Remember, guys, we got substitutions running every 6 minutes of this ball game.
15-11. Ang score is 15-11 in favor of... Who's 15? Samaritan Saints. 15-11 in favor of Samaritan Saints. Reynald, nilabas ang bola. Binigay kay 21. Tumira ng 3. Pasok!
That's good!
Pasok!
Yeah.
Number 37. Dumidiretso. Pinasa kay 58. Sumagasa. Foul. Number 21. Foul. 2 free throws by number 58. Number 58. Number 58. First try. Number 58. First try. No good. Number 58. First try is no good. Second try by number 58. Number 58.
It's good.
Basket is good. 18-12 in favor of blue. 18-12. Blue. Number 10. Reynald. Dumidiskarte. Sinagasaan. Pinasa sa 21. 21 tumira. Wala. Nariba ni 20. Nariba ni 58. Dumiretso si 58. Dinadala ang bola. Pumwersa. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Who's foul? Blue 10. Number 10. Foul. Number 9.
They are 2 fouls away from the 1+1 bonus.
37. Dumiretso. Sinagasaan. Tumira kay pinasa kay Marlon. Binalik kay 37. Binalik kay Marlon. 58. Pumeke uli. Binalik kay 7 tumira. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 37. Reset daw. Number 37. Dinidepensahan ni Surf. Tinulak ni Surf. Number foul. 39.
They are 1 foul away from getting into the 1+1 bonus. I'd like to thank you if you just joined us, folks. It is 18-12 with 9 minutes and 12 seconds left to go here in this basketball, or the first half of the
37, inbound the
basketball.
ball. Binigay kay number 7. Binalik kay 37. Wendell. Binigay kay Marlon. Dumidiskarte. Binigay kay 58. Binalik kay Marlon. Tumira! Wala pala yun. Commercial lang yun. Foul. Foul before the shot.
They are now in the bonus.
How many fouls? 3 seconds. Nakagaw ni 37. 37, dumiretso. Pumeke, tumira, pasok. 37. Number 10, bringing down the ball. Number 10, looking for his teammates. Number 10. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Diretso. Tumira. Number 58. Nariba ng bola. Punersa. Tumira. Wala. Number 7.
Over the back.
Foul by number 7. Number 7. Over the back. Foul by number 7. Number 10, pinasa kay 21. 21, wala. Na-rebound niya rin.
Another.
Hirap mag-dribble, ayaw mo mag-shoot eh.
Number 10, binigay, Reynald. Pinasa kay Serp. Foul. Who's foul, ref?
White 9. White, green to Marlon.
Foul on Marlon, foul.
Blue is 1 away from the penalty.
Blue.
White is 3 away from the penalty.
Blue ball. Number 10, pinasa kay John De Leon.
Good depo!
John De Leon, dinidribble, pinasa kay 21. Pumeke, tumira, wala, naka-rebound, 21 with the putback layup. Number 58. Tumira, napakalayo, Steph Curry. Nakuha ni Marlon, tumira ulit. Wala, na-rebound ulit ni Marlon, pinasa kay number 7, naagaw ni Serp, hindi pala, nakuha ni Marlon. Tinulak ulit ni Serp. Si Serp ay mahilig manulak. Foul on 39, Serp. Bonus. 101. Shooting 101.
Tito Marlon will shoot 1. If he makes this one, he gets to shoot another free throw.
How many fouls on 39? 39 got 2 personal fouls. Marlon, personal go.
No, it's a 1-on-1.
It's 101. Yeah.
Let's go still.
Timeout. Committee timeout.
I stopped the clock.
I know,
Start clock.
Number 10, pinasa kay number 58. Pinasa, naagaw. John, dire-diretso. Nilea, pas, wala. Sumablay. Number 316, dumidiretso. Pinasa kay G. Pumeke, tumira, wala. Nariban ni Kuya Rudel, diniretso. Pinasa sa bench ng kalaban. Number 37, dumiretso. Number 37. Pinasa kay John, pinasa kay number 5. Pass to number 3. Pineke. Nice shot. Wala. Pinasa nakuha ni John, dumidiretso, pinasa kay number 13. Pasok. Score is 22-14 in favor of blue team. 22-14, blue. Number 5, pinasa kay 58, dumidiskarte si 58, pinasa kay John, pinasa kay 37, pinasa sa loob ulit, wala, nariba ni John, pinasa kay John, tumira, wala, nariba number 37, dumiretso, 37. Number 8, magulang si number 8.
Number 37 will shoot 1. If he makes the free throw, he will get another one.
101, number 8. Wendell. Lane violation on White, blue ball. Kuya Rodel, dumidribble si Kuya Rodel. Pinasa kay John, tumira. Pasok. Napakagaling ni John, pinasa kay number 5. Score is 24-14 in favor of blue team. John. John. John.
Ay, ikot mo lang bola, ikot. Balik mo yung bola.
John, foul. 316.
Okay, free throw na, penalty. Penalty na.
How many fouls? Total. 5 pa lang eh. 5 pa lang yung blue team.
No, one away from the two.
John. 101. First try, no good. Rebound by number 22. Rebound by John. Pinasa kay John. John. Pinasa kay Kuya Rodel. Pumeke. Dumiretso. Lumayap. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 5. 5. Dumidiskarte. Pinasa kay G. Dumiretso. Oh. Acrobatic move. Number John. John. Pinasa kay Kuya Rodel. Pumeke. Tumira. Wala. Natapal ni number John. John, tumira. Foul. Shooting foul on who's foul? Number 5. Shooting foul.
Timeout na ba sila?
Wala pa nagta-timeout. Hey, you gotta use your timeout. Remember, you gotta use your timeout or you lose it.
Lon, may timeout pa kayo ha? May timeout pa.
Well, both teams have a timeout.
John Tenorio. First try. In the penalty strikes. First try is good.
7 is penalty, 1 plus 1, and then if you hit 10, it's the automatic two. No matter if it's your extra.
John, second try. Second try by John Tenorio. Second try is no good. Na-rebound ni number 37. 37. Pinasa kay G. Pinasa kay number 5. Pumeke. Tumira. Good fake. Na-rebound ni G. Pumeke. Na-layup. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 13. Number 13 bringing down the leather. Number 13 bringing down the ball. Crossover move. Naagaw ni number 37. 37. Tumira ng 3. Basket is good. Basket is good. Timeout. Blue team. Kuya Rodel. Pinasa kay number 13. Raymond. Dumidiskarte. Umatake. Dumidiskarte. Binigay kay number 22. Number 22 post-up shot is good. Number 22. Number 5, Ray. Tumatawag ng play. Tumatawag ng play si number 5. Pinasa kay 58. 58, pinasa kay G. Pumeke. Tumira. Wala. Number 7. Number 7, dumidiretso yung matake. Naagaw ni number 37. 37. Timeout. Play. 15 seconds left in the first half. 15 seconds left. I know. Foul. Thirty-seven, 15, 13, 12 seconds, 11, 10, 9, 8. Naagaw ni number 4 seconds, 4 seconds. John Tumira, wala. 16. Right, no. G, pinasa kay Marlon. Pinasa kay G, tumira ng 3. Na-rebound ni number 22. 22, pinasa kay Reynald. Pinasa kay Surf, pinasa kay John. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Na-rebound ni Marlon.
After the race,
Dadala ang bola. Marlon, binigay kay number 58. 58, tumira ng 3. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 10. Number 10, nagdadala ng bola. Number 10, pinasa kay number 20. Binalik kay number 10. Number 10, binigay kay 21. 21, pumeke. Dumiretso. Tumira. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 21. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 10. 10, pinasa. Naagaw ang bola. Marlon, dumidiretso. Marlon, binigay kay number 7. Foul. Who's foul? Number 10, Reynolds.
Don't argue with the ref, man. You know, I'm gonna hit with those technicals.
Do not argue the calls. Do not argue the calls. It's not gonna change. Number 37. Number 37. Number 37. Pinasa number 7. Na-rebound ni John. John. Dinala. Pinasa sa kalaban.
Miscommunication right there.
Pinasa sa referee.
Pinasa sa referee. John. Number 37. Tumira. Wala. Na-rebound. Foul. Who's foul?
White 30.
Number 37 foul.
White 37.
Number 10. Tumatawag ng play si number 10. Number 10, binigay kay Surf. Surf, tumira ng 3. Wala. Nariba ni 21. 21. Napakalaki. Napakalaki ni 21. Number 9. Pinasa kay G. G. Pinasa kay Marlon. Pinasa kay number 7. Pumoste. Wala. Nariba ni Marlon. Marlon, pinasa kay G. G. Pinalik kay Marlon. Marlon. Pinasa kay G. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nariba ni Surf. 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 Binigay kay number 10. Number 10. Binalik kay John. Binigay kay John. Binalik kay 21. 21. Binalik kay Surf. Surf. Naglaya. Pasok. Surf. Number 39.
For his first 2 points of this
The
match.
score is 31-17 in favor of blue team. Number 58. Inaagawan ni number 10. Reaching foul. Number 10.
That's your third personal foul.
Number 10. Third personal foul by number 10.
2 more fouls and you are disqualified.
58. Pinasa kay Wendell. Wendell.
Let's go! It's good! 11-point game.
11-point game. It's anybody's game. Sir, tumira ng 3. Wala. Nariba ni G. G. Binigay kay number 58. 58. Dinadala ang bola. Binigay kay Wendell. Wendell. Tumira ng 3. Wala. No good. Number 7 rebound. Shot. No good. Number 58 with a rebound.
Oh, he's got it!
Oh, bang, bang.
Number 37, Wendell. Binigay kay 58, fade away. Wala. Na-rebound ni 21. 21. Dinadala ang bola. Binigay kay John. John.
It's
Pumeke. Dinidribble. Binalik kay number 10. Number 10. Tumatawag ng play. Number 10. Binigay kay 21. 21. Pumuposte. Tumira ng 2. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 7. Number 7. Binigay kay G. G. Binigay kay 37.
he lost the ball!
Nagaw ni number
Chance got
10.
it!
Number 2. Binigay kay...
Oh, what a pass!
What a pass by number 2.
It's good!
What a pass by number 2. John De Leon. John De Leon with a pass. Number 58. Number 58. Dumidiskarte. Dumidiskarte. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 21. 21. Binigay kay 20. Binigay kay Reynald. Reynald. Dumidiskarte.
1 minute away from
Reynald.
that.
Binigay kay number 20. Binigay 21. 21 tumira.
It's
Pasok.
good! 15-point game! It is a 15-point lead for the Samaritan Saints.
Marlon, tinitignan ng oras. Tinitignan si G. Tinitignan ng kakampi. Binigay kay G. Binalik kay Marlon. Marlon tumira. Wala. Na-rebound ni Surf. Naagaw. Binigay kay Marlon. Marlon. Reverse layup. It's good!
Oh, what a reverse layup! Reverse layup is good! We are 28 seconds away
Number
from start.
21.
Time.
Dinidribble.
What an
Dinidribble.
acrobatic finish by Marlon Fronda in tight coverage.
That was a run delicious kind of shot.
Number 10. Binigay kay Dumirecho. Foul. Number 37, Wendell.
Substitutions, please.
Shooting 2 is Reynald. Shooting 2. Substitution. Reynolds. 2 shots by Reynolds.
Just kill the clock for me.
First try by Reynolds. First try is no good.
Hey, you guys got a sub coming in for him? Nope.
Number 10. Second try. Second try. No good. Rebound by substitution. Substitution.
Ooh, Machu Picchu? You went to Peru?
Number 13. Binigay kay Kuya Rodel. Kuya Rodel, dumidiskarte. Binigay kay number 13. 13. Umatake. Pinasa kay number 2, John Tinoyo. Pinasa kay Kuya Rodel. Kuya Rodel, umatake. Layup is no good. Rebound by number 7. Number 5, bringing down the leather.
Dun, 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 dun.
Number 5, calling out the plays. Number 10, G, pinasa. Number 5, pinasa sa
That will
bench.
be the other team's basketball.
Blue ball. Kuya Rodel, pinasa kay John. John, tumira. Basket is good. Basket is good. John Tinoyo.
Super Mario. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Ray, nagdadala ng bola, tumatawag ng play. Binigay kay G. G, pinasa kay Paul. Paul, pinasa kay number 7.
Pass by Paul.
Number 7,
It up
number
and in.
John with a sidestep. Pinasa kay number 13. Layup is good.
It is now a 17-point game with 15 minutes and 50 seconds left to go.
Number 13. Number 5, bringing down the leather. Number 13, calling out the plays. Give number 13 to 316. John with a shot. No good. Number 22. The play. Number 5, give it to Paul. Paul. Binigay kay number 5. Binigay kay G. Binigay kay number 7. Paul, tumira. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 13. Binigay kay John De Leon. John De Leon. Dumidiskarte. Umatake. Lumayap. Good.
They are running away with this one, folks. That is a 9-0 run made here by the Samaritan Saints.
Kuya Rodel. Umagaw. Inaagawan si number 7. Number 7 to make up.
They stopped the bleeding with that one.
Number 7, stop the bleeding. Kuya Rodel, pinasa kay Raymond. Raymond, nawala ang bola, out of bounds. Gray ball.
Slow down.
Number 5, nagdadala ng bola. Number 5, nagdadala ng bola. Dinidribble. Tumatawag ng play. Binigay kay number 7. Binalik kay number 5. Number 5, binigay kay Paul. Binigay kay G, nagdadala ng bola. Binigay kay John, pumeke. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5, pinasa kay G. Binigay kay number 7. Foul by number 13. Shooting foul by
That is the second foul
Number
on Raymond Flores.
number 7 to shoot 2 free throws. Estrada. Oh, no free throw. Just no free throw. Paul, nilabas ang bola. Pinasa kay John. Layup. Easy layup by John. The score is 41-26 in favor of blue team. Kuya Rodel. Tumatawag ng play si Kuya Rodel. Screen foul. Who's foul, rep? 316 foul. John, 316 foul. Pinasa kay number 13. Pumaposte si number 13. Layup is good. Number 13 with an easy layup. Number 7, dumidribble. Binigay kay number 5. Number 5, binigay kay John. Pumaposte. Binigay kay number 7. Good pass.
It's good!
Good pass by number 316. John.
pass?
To number 7. Kuya Rodel, tinitignan ng oras. Kuya Rodel, tinitingnan ang oras. Pinasa kay John Tenorio. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nariba ni G. Binigay kay number 5. Number 5, binigay kay Paul. Paul for 3.
Oh, just on the left side of the rim.
De Leon, pinasa kay John Tenorio. Nawala ang bola. Nawala ang bola ni John Tenorio.
Substitutions on the floor, please.
Substitution. Gray ball. Gray ball. Serve. Pumasok si Serve. Serve. Number 9, Marlon. Binigay kay G. Walang bantay. Tumira ng 3.
Ah, it's good. It's a 12-point game. They've cut it to 4 possessions.
11 minutes and 30 seconds. 11 minutes and 30 seconds left. Reynald, pinasa kay number 13, umatake. Huminto. Pinasa kay Reynald, tumira ng 3. Reynald, wala. Na-rebound, wala. Naka-rebound. Out of bounds. Gray ball. Marlon.
You have to go to the shooters. Come on.
Marlon, nagdadala ng bola. Marlon,
Now trying to
binigay
hype
kay
his team up.
G, dumiretso, tumira, wala. Na-rebound ni Marlon.
Should have taken down Marlon.
Marlon, napakalakas ni Marlon. Marlon to 58. With a shot, no good. Na-rebound ni G. Wala. No good. Nakuha ni Serve, pinasa kay Reynald. Reynald with a layup. No good.
What a sequence of events.
37.
Reynolds got it. Driving on serve.
Binigay kay Marlon, pumeke. Binigay kay 58. Binalik kay Marlon, binalik kay Wendell, pumeke. Foul, Serve. Serve, you got 3 fouls, Serve.
2 more and you're disqualified.
3 fouls per Serve.
Go on sa shooters, ha? Go on sa shooters. Jake, labas.
G, nilabas ang bola. Binigay kay Marlon, binalik kay G. Dumiskarte, tumira ng 3. Foul! It's a foul on the 3.
Oh my goodness.
Who's foul, rep? Who's foul? 39, that's your 4th personal foul.
One
One
more.
more and you're out. 39, 4th personal foul. G to shoot 3 free throws.
Can we please get the ball? I don't know if you guys want to run out the time.
9 minutes and 27 seconds in favor of Samaritan Saints. G, first try in the free throw. Good. Basket is good.
Tagal pa yung 10 minutes, no?
32-43 in favor of Good Samaritan.
Oh, hi!
G, back that second free throw.
Let me see a roll over here.
10-point lead by blue team.
This is a single digit ball game, folks. They are right back in this.
Reynald, nagdadala ng bola. Reynald, pinasa kay Serve, pinasa kay number 13. Tumira. Wala, na-rebound ni number 20. That's
Blocked away.
what a good block by number 58.
We'll stay.
We stay on blue team.
Box out, guys.
Reynald,
It's a good breeze.
number 13. Pumoste, binigay kay number 21. Binigay kay Serve.
Serve outside.
Wala.
Yeah, nothing but air.
Na-rebound ni number 7.
Oh my
Marlon. Marlon.
Ayun, oh.
Binigay kay number 58. Binalik kay Marlon. Marlon, binalik kay 58. 58.
It's good. It's a 2-position ball game.
6-point lead by Good Samaritan. 43-37. Timeout, blue team. Timeout, blue team. We got a good ball game. 6-point lead.
All right, folks, if you are just joining us, we got 7 minutes And 45 seconds here to go as the Samaritan Saints are holding on to a 6-point lead after an 8-0 run unresponded by Davis defenders. Oh my goodness, again an 8-0 run, no response at all from the Samaritan Saints, who do not have any timeouts held.
No more timeout for blue. No more timeout.
Let's get back on this floor, guys, and finish this ball game. We got a good one here, folks.
Reynald. Nilabas ang bola. Binigay kay Surf. Surf. Binalik kay Reynald. Reynald. Nagdi-dribble. Binigay kay number 13. 13. Dumidiskarte. Dumidiskarte. Binigay kay number 21. 21. Tumira. Pasok.
He puts this back to a 3-possession ball game.
Marlon. Marlon. Dumidiretso. Binigay kay G. G. Dumidiskarte. Dumidiskarte. Binigay kay Marlon. Marlon binigay kay 58. 58 binigay kay Wendell. Tumira ng 3.
It's back up and in! It's back to a 2-possession ball game!
Reynald. Reynald. Tumidin. Reynald with the ball. Dinadala ang bola. Reynald. Reynald. Tumatawag ng play. Binigay kay...
Oh, he from 2 faults. We got 6 minutes here left to go, folks. It's a 6-point ball game.
Number 21. Bringing down the ball. Pinasa kay 20. Pinasa kay 13. 13. Layup. Wala. Number 7. 7. Wendell. 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 Dinadala ang bola. Dumiretso. Nilayap. Wala. Binigay kay number 21. 21. Easy layup. Easy layup is good. Reynald. Dumiretso. Binigay kay 7. 7. Number 10. Binigay kay G. G. Nagdadala ng bola. Binigay kay 58. 58. Dumidiskarte. 58. Pumaposte. Binigay kay John. John. Binalik kay 58. Tumira. Wala. Nariba ni John Tenorio. John Tenorio. Nagdala ng bola. Dumiretso. Binigay kay number 13. Layup is good. Layup is good. 49-39 in favor of Good Samaritan Saints. John. Pinasa kay G. G. Dumidiskarte. Binalik kay number 7. 7. Estrada. Estrada. Dumiretso. Nawala ang bola. Tumira ng layup. Foul. Who's foul up? Number 13. Foul Raymond.
Raymond Flores has 3 fouls.
Raymond Flores. Third personal foul. Shooting foul. 2 free throws. Estrada, first try. Good. Basket is good. Estrada, second try. Basket is no good. Number 8. Kuya Rodel. Kuya Rodel, nagdadala ng bola. Binigay kay 22. 22, binigay kay Raymond. Raymond! Foul, number 7. Foul on number 7, Estrada. Third foul on number 7. How many free throws, ref? 2 free throws. First try by Raymond. Raymond, first try. Basket is good. Substitution. Marlon in. John out. Raymond, second try. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Second try is good. The score is 51-40 in favor of Good Samaritan Saints. Number 5. Binigay kay Marlon. Marlon, pumeke. Dumiretso. Binigay kay G. G, tumira ng 3. Wala good. Nariba ni John Tenorio. John Tenorio. John Tenorio, binigay kay, hinawakan ng bola. Take time daw. Binigay kay Rodel. Rodel, binigay kay John Tenorio. John Tenorio, tumira, no good. Rebound by G. G. Binigay kay Marlon. Marlon, hinaharas ni John. Dalawang John ang humaharas.
Bonus.
2 minutes ba? Stop.
It's under 2 minutes. We stop.
Under 2 minutes, stop.
Under 2 minutes. We stop. It's a 1+1. It's a 17 foul.
17 fouls, 101. 7 fouls, 101.
One-on-one ba?
101, 7 fouls. Substitution. Rep. Substitution. Two minutes is stop clock. 2 minutes. Substitution. Number 22 out. Number 21 in. Marlon. Tumira. No good. Nariba ni John Tenorio. John Tenorio. Binigay kay Raymond. Raymond. Nagdadala ng bola. Binigay kay John Tenorio. Tenorio. Binigay kay John De Leon. John De Leon. Naago ni Marlon. Marlon. Binigay kay number 7 Estrada. Dumiretso. Tumira ng dos. Pasok. John Tenorio. Binigay kay Raymond. Raymond. Pinaw. Foul by number 58. Stop clock. Under 10 points. Under 10 points, stop clock.
You know what I'm doing. Let me do my job.
Tenorio, binigay kay John De Leon. John De Leon, hinaharas ni Marlon. Foul. Foul by Rodel. 101.
Let me know when to stop the clock.
Hey, ref, please tell us if we need to stop the clock. Please tell us if we need to stop the clock. We don't know. Did you hear that?
Yeah, under 10. I know, but
No.
I asked them. They tell us to stop the clock. We don't know.
every dead ball. Every dead ball.
First try by Marlon. Marlon is good. One more try. One more try by Marlon.
I promise you the clock.
Marlon. Second try is good. The score is 51-44. Is it 51-44? 51-44 in favor of blue team.
Who's the highest point? Chris.
Tito Raymond.
Raymond. Okay.
Next year, pwede na siya sa flow fam. How many fouls?
Is it 101? 101?
It's 1-on-1.
101. 101. Kuya Rodel's first try is no good. Lane violation. No lane violation. No lane violation.
Why is it 2?
Oh, lane violation on white. Kuya Rodel. Gonna try again. 44-51 in favor of blue team. Kuya Rodel shot is no good. Rebound by number 2, John Tenorio. John Tenorio. Foul by G. Foul by G. Number 10.
Oh boy, this is gonna be about 15 minutes.
7-point lead by by the blue team. John Tenorio with a shot. 1-on-1. First, no good. Number 58, nahago ni Kuya Rodel. Kuya Rodel, pinasa kay John. Foul. Foul by number 37.
How you? I didn't call it. I didn't tell you what to call. I didn't tell you who the foul was.
I saw it.
No, you don't say. You get it from me.
Okay, my bad, ref. My bad.
That's why I hate Mike. So I be going, ah, white 37.
White 37 foul. 2 shots.
Is it 2 shots?
2 shots. First try is good. 52-44. 1 minute and 5 seconds left. Second try by John Tenorio. No good.
No shot, violation.
No shot. No shot. Lane violation. Marlon. Dinadala ang bola. Number 58. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nariba ni number 7. Putback is good. John De Leon. Wow. 2 shots. 46-52. 54 seconds. 54 seconds. Two shots, John De Leon. First try, basket is good. Second try, John De Leon. Basket is good. Number 37, turnover by number 37, number 21. Easy layup. 56-46. 56-46. Running time. Nakuha ni Kuya Rodel. Kuya Rodel. Bringing down the leather. 33 seconds. 32 seconds. Foul.
Hey, that's ball game, right?
37. So then when it holds like that,
Ball game. Ball game. Ball game. Ball game.
All right, after a heated and contentious match, the Samaritan Saints take their second victory of the season up against David's Defenders in a 10-point lead exhibition.
It was a good game, guys. Good game.